This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is a challenge lock that was created by DarkWoodPicks. This challenge lock doesn't have a name that I know of, but I've been calling it Clockwise. When you look at the markings on the lock, it is indicating that you should open it up clockwise. The reason is, if you do try to pick it counterclockwise, I was told it would seize up the core and you would have to end up top gunning it from the top here in order to fix it. My guess is that there might be some T-pins inside of here that could get caught up in some construction keying, but we'll find out once we get the lock open. This is the key that came with the lock, and we'll take a look at that in a little bit. I just want to say thank you to LockPicking Patrolman for sending this lock out to me. But you guys should check out DarkWoodPicks' YouTube channel. He makes some really cool picks, and I'll put up a photo of a pick he made for LockPicking Patrolman in just a second. Alright, let's see what it takes to get this lock open. This is a Kwikset KW1 Keyway. It's a 5-pinner lock, and this is a great introductory lock for people learning to get into challenge locks. The keyway isn't too bad, and the pinning isn't terribly difficult, and it's a great lock for you to learn on. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths and see what it takes to get inside. I'm going to start off with pin 1. Pin 1's springy. Nothing on 2. Little click on 3, put me in a little false set. Click on 4, some counter rotation. Click on 5 with some counter rotation. 1, some counter rotation. 2, more counter and a good false set. 3, 4 more counter. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Okay, pin 4, open this up. It's always been pin 4, I believe. I'm not really exactly sure. We get a lot of counter rotation and we open the lock, and then everything starts to feel set, and then it won't open, and then you have to click one of the pins up and then it will open up. I do have a theory that there might be a T-pin in here, but this lock did provide a lot of counter rotation and some good false sets, and I'll be excited to see what's inside. But let's open up this key here before we take it apart and just see what this looks like. Pin by DarkWoodPicks, only turn clockwise. Here's the shot of the bitting. Alright, I'm going to lock this up and make sure the key works. Works very smoothly. Alright, I'm going to get the clip off the back here. I'm going to stick a shim in it just because I don't know what's going on with the pinning here. Alright, I'm not sure what's going to happen here with the gutting. I already had a pin fall out, but let's see what happens here. Something's already kind of getting stuck. Alright, so that was key pin 1, it looks like, that fell out here. And it does look like this plug has the construction keying on it, as you can see right here. So let's just take this apart and take a look. 1's a standard key pin, 2 is a standard key pin, 3 is a standard key pin, 4, and then 5. Let me make sure that and then it looks like 3 and 4 have some threading in it. I mean, sorry, 3 and 5. Now let's look at the driver pins here. One is a spool, looks somewhat kind of thicker in the middle, or maybe like almost like a double spool. That spring either isn't present or not interested in coming out. And it looks like they threaded the inside there. 2 looks like a standard pin, the regular spring. 3 is my spool with a T-pin bottom on it. That makes a lot of sense. And that would be why you wouldn't want to turn this lock the wrong way, because that would get caught right up in the construction keying. 4 is a T-pin as well. Copper spring. 5 is a nice spool. Regular spring. So as I'm looking in here, it looks like 1 and 5 may be threaded, possibly 3, it's hard to tell, but I'm going to get you a close-up of the key pins and the driver pins, and then I will get a photo up for you in a minute so you can see them closely, and maybe we can get a better look at the threading as well. But I am not seeing any spring in 1, but you can see all the key pins are standards, and then we got kind of like a double looking spool in 1, standard pin in 2, a spool with a T-pin bottom on 3, a T-pin in 4, and a spool in 5. So the problem is, why you don't want to turn this lock the wrong way is, with these T-pins, they will get caught right up in the construction keying hole here, like that, and then the whole lock will seize, and then you won't be able to get it out without taking the lock apart through the top. As a quick addendum, as I'm doing this, I just noticed now, I just found the spring that was in chamber 1. It looked like a copper spring. But I'm going to get you a quick close-up of this lock again, and I'm going to put some photos up really showing you these pins in detail in just a moment. But thank you again to DarkWoodPicks for making this lock. It was a really great lock, and it's a great introductory lock for those people starting to learn challenge locks. This is a really fun lock to open up, and thank you for making it. Thank you again to LockPicking Patrolman for sending this lock my way. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for videos you would like to see me make, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.